Looking for a dependable ink cartridge pack for your brother printer? The LC501XL 4-pack offers a budget-friendly alternative without sacrificing quality. Designed for models like the MFCJ1260W, MFCJ1360DW, and MFCJ1410DW, these cartridges deliver crisp prints every time you need them. Each cartridge in this set, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, features a water-based ink formula that ensures vibrant colors and sharp text. Despite being a non-OEM product from Cool Toner, these cartridges are engineered to fit perfectly and work seamlessly with your Brother Work Smart printers. What stands out is the high page yield. You can expect up to 500 pages per cartridge based on 5% coverage on A4 paper. That means fewer replacements and more uninterrupted printing, whether you're handling documents, photos, or colorful projects. The package includes one cartridge of each color along with a user guide, making installation straightforward. This 4-pack is an excellent choice for anyone who values both performance and cost-effectiveness in their printing supplies. If you're tired of overpriced OEM cartridges but don't want to compromise on print quality, these LC501XL cartridges are worth a look. They balance affordability with reliability, helping you keep your printer running smoothly without breaking the bank. Plus, the consistent ink flow reduces smudging and fading, so your documents look professional every time. This pack is especially useful for home offices, small businesses, or students who need dependable color printing on a budget. Choosing this compatible cartridge set means you get what matters: sharp prints, vibrant colors, and a high page yield that stretches your dollar further. It's a smart way to maintain your brother printer without overspending on ink. Try the LC501XL 4-pack when you're ready to switch to a more affordable, quality ink option. It's designed to meet your printing needs and keep your workflow steady, no surprises, just dependable results.